好，你都弄好了，没事，我带你弄。你可以弄半个小时，没有事的。没有事，我很担心。
你可以先你聊，因为他们看着看。
没事，
没事。
没人，现在还没人呢，刚刚结束视频。
好。
Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to our broadcasting room. I'm Tom from Metalli, a Chinese company which specializes in custom sheet metal products. And this is my colleague Chris. Hello. Chris, say hello to our friends in our broadcasting room.
Yeah.
And today we will introduce some information about our company and some samples to you. I will be responsible for introducing the information to you directly, and Chris will help me do some assistant job. Yeah.
Yes.
Because when I'm making the introduction, some friends who go to our broadcasting room, they will have some questions. So when they put forward with these questions, Chris can help answer them in time. Yeah.
Yeah.
So before the introduction, I'm appreciative for Chris' help in advance. Yeah. Okay. I will start our introduction today. Before showing the products, I will make a simple clarification about our company. Our company name is Metalli Industrial Limited. We were established in 2008, and we are originated from customer sheet metal parts. After more than 10 years development, our products have been expanded into several fields from metal fabrication, and now our products mainly includes metal fabrication, aluminum extrusion, and heat exchanger. Now the three products are our main goods. So if you have related demand, welcome to send us inquiry. And we have a professional team. Our team includes professional engineers who has many years in metal fabrication and heat exchanger. And we have a quality inspection team who will be responsible for the product quality. And we have a strict process to control our product quality from the production line, yeah, which can help guarantee that our customers can receive good products from us. and there is a small problem in our screen. So our other colleagues are adjusting the screen, so we can know so we can give you better introduction when I show some information to you. So
OK，
是你不要这样，你让他把影片下来。And our company has issued certificates. Our company has issued some certificates, including ISO 9001, and so we have applied CE certificate for several products, and we specialize in exporting products to foreign market, and it accounts for more than 90%, and we have a few domestic customers. So our products are mainly exported to lots of countries around the world, and our main market is the USA and Europe, such as Canada, Germany, Spain, France, UK, Australia, and so on. And in so many years, trade business with these countries, we have obtained much experience to how to work together well with these companies around the world. And we can provide one-stop solution for all customers. Yeah. As what we know, if one customer has a demand for metal product, he can send us the drawing or pictures or actual samples. We can copy the samples according to the drawing, the picture or actual samples. Our engineers can make the drawing. And our workshop and after the products are finished, we can provide the shipment service. So what the customer needs to do is is to wait for the products at home, so we can bring much convenience for the customers. Okay, that's some information about our company. So next, I will introduce some typical samples about our several main production process. And our metal fabrication includes stamping process, laser cutting process, bending process, deep joint process, and welding process. Sure, machining process is our favorite, is our main process. So first, regarding to these samples put on the table, I will introduce to you one by one next. And for the first sample, I will introduce our one metal extrusion. Yeah. This is our sample. You can see, yeah. Hi, Chris. Yeah. This sample look like very nice, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And can I touch it?
Sure.
It's not too heavy. Could you please tell me what it is made of?
Okay. This metal box is made of mined steel, but we can see the surface is very smooth and glossy. Yeah, because we added green part coating on the surface. This metal box is made for one of our Malaysia customers, and for this product, at the beginning, when the customer find us, they just had the demand, but don't have the drawing or pictures. So after communication with them, they felt that we are a professional supplier. So they sent us one extra sample. Then our engineer measured the sample and make the drawing as per the customer sample. We can see this is a picture, which Chris, could you please to adjust the camera? Yeah. Okay. Now maybe you can see clearly. Yeah. This is a picture of 3D joint, which is made by our engineer. When the customer sent us the sample, because we need to know some size to confirm the cost. So after the customer sent us the actual sample, we made the drawing first. Then we sent the drawing to the customer to confirm. We can see. Also, this metal box is not hard, but there are many small holes in the box. Yeah. So we spent some time to make the drawing. After the join is confirmed, then our production department copied the sample. This is actual sample, which is based on this join. You can see. Another. You can see this sample is same as the join, and when we sent the sample to the customer, they felt amazing because they didn't figure out our actual sample can be completely same as what they demand. Yeah. Okay. So the sample is approved quickly, and the mass production was started after the sample is approved. Yeah. And we have manufactured more than 5,000 metal boxes to the customer, and the order is repeated. The customer talked with me last month, and they will replace the order about in July. Yeah. So it can choose that we have a professional ability to provide very good product to our customer. Okay, let's come back to this sample. And this box can be opened. Yeah. These metal boxes are made of by two parts. One is the lid. The lid can be opened and closed. Yeah. There is a small design in this group, and we can take out this lid. This lid. Yeah. It's very easy to operate. Yeah, it's a lid. Yeah, we can see. We made the lid by laser cutting and bending. By laser cutting, bending, and welding process. Yeah, it's a square lid, and when we touch the surface, it's very smooth. But at the same time, it has the feeling of greenness. Yeah, greenness. Because we used a kind of special pad. Because we used a kind of special paddle. Yeah. This is a lid, and this is the main body. Yeah. You can see, and there are some slots and holes in the bottom side, and the process is similar to the lid. This cutting process, bending, and welding. Yeah. Hi, Chris. When you check the metal box, did you see some welding marks?
I didn't see any nailed parts.
Yeah, maybe some friends in our broadcasting room have the same questions as you. Uh, why I mentioned the welding process just now? There is no welding mark on the metal box. Yeah, because we adopt spot welding. Spot welding. Only some small welding mark on the surface after spring part coating on the surface. The mark is very light. So when we see that at the when we uh, when we see it at site, it's not easy to be found. Yeah, and there are several knockouts on the wall. Yeah, see. The function for this knockout is to pass through some lines. So when the customer want to use this one or this one, they can knock it. The customer can knock anyone according to their actual demand, their actual use demand. Yeah. So this is a very nice product. So if you have demand for metal box, aluminum box, we can provide the product for you. Not only metal fabrication box, but also the alumina extruded box. We can provide it too. Yeah. Maybe some friends want to know the size because they may have the same demand. So okay, let's measure the size. Then maybe the size is suitable for some customers. Okay. The length is 290 millimeter, right?
Yes.
290 millimeter. And the width is 275 millimeter. And the height is 85 millimeter. So the whole size is 295. $200.
I think the customers behind the screen have some questions like me. Could you pass your voice?
你拍什么？
我要拍视频，
啊，你拍，
没在讲话，就
你还讲话。
看一下防这个箱子，不说话有垃圾。
Could you please tell me how what thickness about this product?
Oh, I remember the thickness. The thickness is 0.8 millimeter.
What about the tolerance?
The tolerance is the tolerance because the customer doesn't have a very strict requirement for this tolerance, so we didn't make it. So we didn't make a very precise size, and the tolerance is about plus. Plus 0.2 millimeter.
Okay. So the wall thickness can be changed.
Yeah, it depends on the customer's actual user requirement. If they want stronger strength, we can use thicker metal sheet to replace it. So the metal box can be stronger.
Okay, I know.
Okay, Chris, do you have any further question about this metal box?
At first, you talk about the model.
Yeah.
The customers don't have 3D drawings. He
Yeah.
just have the really product. How long how long need a way to make the model?
干啥你俩？怎么又扯长？
我看别人。For this box, because the tooling is not
救命！你俩干啥？
because for this metal box, that the tooling is not necessary. So the lead time, for example, can be shorter. It's about 10 days because we need some time to buy the corresponding metal sheets, right? And we need some time to arrange the production. But if the customer has the demand for urgent samples, maybe we can provide it within 1 week. Yeah.
That means do we need to pay more cost for model?
No. If the customer has the actual demand, we will charge some cost for the samples, but it's not much. Even we can say it's very small.
Okay.
Yeah. But if the customer has the target, and we can refund the samples fee when the book order is confirmed. Okay.
Okay.
你问我什么？半个小时嘞。Okay, this is our first sample. it's a metal box. Yeah. So if you are interested in it, you can send an inquiry or message to us. Chris will reply you in time. Okay, this is the first sample, and the next one is one deep joint cap. Yeah, deep joint caps and bending tubes. Maybe some friends has a question. What's this product? To be honest, I don't know it either. Because when we accepted this project, the customers just told us we can show this product online, but regarding to the detailed application, they didn't they can't show us at present when the time is suitable. When the time is suitable, they will tell us what this product is used for. So we understand the customers requirement. So we respect their requirement and just manufacture the sample and the products for them. So didn't put forward more question. Okay, but we can check this sample. It's made of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, and there are two same caps. Yeah, and above the two caps there are two tubes, and the third layer there is a small short tube, and the assembly way is welding. Yeah, we weld the 5 parts into a complete product. Yeah, so the referred production process is deep joint welding. Yeah. And this and the raw material for the product is steel, mined steel. Yeah, and the surface treatment is black part coating. Why I should show you this sample? Because it's a typical assembly job. Yeah. It's not only just one deep joint cap or steel tube. We need to adjust some size to make the 5 parts match well. Yeah, and we can see. Okay, let's measure some size about this product. 你看好了？
我刚你讲完呀，我感觉这个材料讲的从那个里边你讲的比较顺。
你要找一个讲的顺畅的是吧？那就没有了。
没有了吗？
没有那么顺畅。
你继续给我。
For this cap, the diameter is 165 millimeter. and the thickness is 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter. Yeah. And the height is about 28 millimeter. So if you have similar demand, you can send us some information. We will check. We will check the cost for you. Yeah. And what I want to show you by this sample is to compare two samples to show our ability about deep joint process. This is first sample for deep joint process. Yeah, and we can see the diameter is 165 millimeter, and the height is only 27 millimeter. So for this size ratio, it's an easy job for us. Even we can say this size ratio is easy for the whole in the industry, but for the next product, yeah, we can see this is a big tank. Yeah, the production process is still deep joint. Yeah, and we can check the size too. The diameter is 20. The diameter is 220 millimeter. Yeah, 220 millimeter. But we can see this height. This height is up to 210 millimeter. 210 millimeter. So by the diameter, by comparing with by comparing the diameter with the height, we can say the tank is close to reactor angular. Yeah. So this tank maybe the shape is easy, but the production difficulty is big because the height is large for this product. Yeah. So we needed to do several deep joint process to achieve this big height. We can see this height is only 27 millimeter, but this one is 210 millimeter. It's about 10 times. So when we make the deep joint process, we can imagine the process when we add some process on a flat steel sheet. When we make this height, it's easy. But when make it into this height, the difficulty will be increased much. Yeah. So by showing you the sample, you can know our ability for deep joint process better. Yeah. So according to our experience for this tank, not all supplies can make it, because it requires the supply to have professional enough technology and good enough equipment and enough technology to achieve it. So when we contact this customer, they have when the customer contact us at the beginning, they had the concept if we can meet their requirement and manufacture this product. But after we make the samples and provide the book order, the customer felt very satisfactory with us because they didn't think because they didn't imagine we really can provide what they demand. Yeah. Okay, so it's our second sample. It's referred to deep joint process. Yeah. Okay. So if you have demand for deep joint products, don't hesitate to contact us and send us inquiry. We will check it and give you professional response. Maybe the information can be helpful for you. Yeah. Okay, for the next one, there are two small rings. Of course, their production process is the same. Yeah, they are deep joint too. Why I want to show you the two samples? First, the raw material for this ring is 304 stainless steel. Yeah, so not only for minus steel, but also other material like stainless steel or copper, aluminum. We can manufacture them. Yeah. Okay. And this one, the thickness is small. Yeah, it's only 0.5 millimeter. So also it's not hard to make the two rings. And the production is easy. But maybe you have the question. It's an easy job. Why I show you in the broadcasting room? Maybe some friends can find it. Also, they have the same shape, but the height is different. Yeah, let's measure it. For the small one, the height is 11.5 millimeter, but for the big one, the height is 35 millimeter. Why I want to show them to you? Because for one project, we think the samples are necessary process. For example, like this ring. At the beginning, the customer sent us the drawing. The height is 11.5 millimeter. We made the samples according to the drawing and sent the samples to the customer. After they measured the sample, they find there was a small problem because the height is too small for their product. So the smalling can't work. Then they give us the feedback and sent the product application to us, and hope we can provide some suggestion to them to help them to solve the problem. After knowing the problem precisely, our engineer give us our engineer gave the solution. It's to adjust the height. So we adjusted the height into 13.5 millimeter from previous 11.5 millimeter. Also, it's just 2 millimeter. Also, it's just adjustment of 2 millimeter. But when we provide the new sample to the customer, they tested the new sample and told us the new sample can work well. So they give us a good comment when we provide them the solution. Yeah. So it can. So the story can show we have abandoned experience in metal products in industry. So if you have related demand, but you don't know any professional technology about this product or technology, you can send us. Maybe we can give you some available suggestion. Yeah. This is a real story. Yeah. And this stainless steel ring has been studied mass production, and is for one of our American customers. After our cooperation in this product, they give us much more trust. So when they get some new project, they will send the information to us. Later, we have got more and more cooperation during the several years. Yeah. So we hope, or we can say, our wish, our dream is to set up long-term good to set up long-term good operative relationship with with all customers, and in other words, we prefer to regard it. No. We prefer to regard our customers as our friends, not customers. So if you have a problem, you can feel free to talk with us, and we are very willing to provide some help for you. Okay, this is a stainless steel sample, and for this new sample, we can see it's a bending bracket. Yeah. Why I show you this sample today? Because we just received this sample from one of our Australian customers this week. Yeah, we just received the parcel on Tuesday this week. Yeah, we can see the customer has the same problem. They have the demand, but they don't have the join. So they sent us the pictures, but the size is not very precise. So in order to complete sample or products as their model, so the customers the customer sent us the actual sample. Yeah, and our engineer has measured the sample and made the join, and the join has been sent to the customer. They are conferring the join. After the join is conferred, I think the sample production will be started soon. So we can see, this is that. Let's come back to the sample itself. This is a common bending bracket. Maybe it's used to on the wall to mount some products. Yeah, and this raw material is zinc plated steel. From the appearance, we can see it's different from common mine steel because the color. Yeah, the color is because the color looks like close to white or silver. Yeah, silver may be more precise. Yeah, silver. So this raw material is a zinc plated steel sheet, and the thickness looks like 1 millimeter. No, it's a 1.8 millimeter. Yeah, and we can see this bracket is not hard. Even we can say it's an easy job. The suitable production process is laser cutting and bending process. By this sample, what I want to show you one point is we can see there is several black point on the surface. Yeah, it's maybe some friends don't know why there is some black point on the surface. It's related to the laser cutting process. When the laser cutting process is working, is working, the high temperature will raise. The high temperature will be formed. So when the metal sheet is put on the flat form, the laser cutting process works. The high temperature will burn the place which is process starts or end. Yeah, the point will have the black mark. It's formed during the laser cutting process. Yeah, and then we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. This is the problem of laser cutting process. But what I want to show you more is the zinc plated steel sheet. Yeah. Why some customers want to choose this material? It's in order to receive, but it's in order to save some cost, because if the raw material is a mined steel sheet, so after the production, if no extra galvanization process, if no extra galvanization or part coating surface treatment on the product surface, the product itself will be rust after used for long time, for some time. But if we added galvanization on the process, the surface can be protected well. So it can expand the product service life. But the total product cost will raise due to extra surface treatment like galvanization or part coating. But for this choice, which used zinc plated steel sheet, then we can, and no extra surface treatment is acceptable, because zinc plated steel itself is anti-rust, so it can have the function of anti-rust, and based on no extra surface treatment, which can help save some production cost. But due to the laser mark, due to the burning mark during the laser cutting, so along the cutted side, there is no extra zinc layer on the surface. So the side doesn't have the zinc protection. Yeah. So the side will be easier to be rust. So if you don't, if the customer doesn't have the requirement for the site, zinc plated steel is a very good choice, because it's more economic. Yeah. Okay. This is a new sample. we have 100% confidence. This bracket will be started mass production in next month, June. Yeah, because we can make the sample to the customer in 1 week, and the time of express is about 1 week. 1 week. So if the size is okay, the customer will place the bulk order to us. Next month is very possible. Yeah. Okay, because the time is limited for because the time during the broadcasting today is limited. We only introduced we don't introduce all samples to you because of the time limitation. So, and we have some other samples, some bending parts, yeah, and we will choose a suitable time to introduce them to you during our next broadcasting. Okay, so that's all information what we show you today. And if you have questions or demand, welcome to contact us. Yeah, welcome to contact us. We will give you timely response. Yeah, so that's what we shared with you today. And if you have interest in our products, you can focus on our next broadcasting. Yeah. So that's what we should. That's what we shared today. So see you next time. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
这个出国都没有，没有人推荐。